We can all agree that YouTube videos about geology and paleontology are often presented from scripts, using information pulled from the internet and simply presented in front of a camera. However, these videos neglect to feature the heart of geology and paleontology. That's a field of science done in the field, outside, where the major scientific discoveries are made. When I started posting YouTube videos in 2012, I basically was just having fun on my computer, uploading silly videos about paleontology, particularly about fossil mammals. And later, I started using my channel to upload course lectures and provide more educational content. In 2016, I introduced my larger format Rocks of Utah series of videos, where I go into the field and record geology videos on rock formations across Utah. Because these videos required traveling and more equipment, they were more expensive to produce than my typical stand in front of the camera and just hit the record button. I realized that if I wanted to keep making these videos, I needed a way to raise some money. Musicians and artists and other creators on YouTube came up with a concept of an online tip jar, a website called Patreon that allows viewers like you to toss $1 or $2 to their favorite video creator every time they make a new video. Think about how good it feels when you tip your waiter or toss a few coins into a street performer that you enjoy on the way to work. You will have the same feeling when you donate $1 or $2 to my Patreon page. Plus, you're helping further science. These tips will help me pay for gasoline when I head into the field, work on repairing my drone, run experiments on rocks in the lab, and enable me to get better equipment for more spectacular and more professional styled videos of Utah's geology and its fossil record. Plus, I won't see any of this money if I don't make videos. The more people who contribute, the more I'll be incentivized to head into the field and record new scientific discoveries for you to learn about. So please consider clicking on the link below in the description and visit my Patreon page and toss $1 or $2 into the tip jar.